issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin, northwestern Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, southeastern Dane County in south central Wisconsin, northeastern Rock County in south central Wisconsin, until 3:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:42 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Milton, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Whitewater, Fort Atkinson, Jefferson, Milton, Edgerton, Palmyra, Lake Koshkonong, Rome, Hebron, and in Fort and Helenville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.